Insurance companies don't want you to watch this video because I'm revealing their secrets to shortchanging people who are injured in trucking accidents. Watch this video to see exactly how to maximize your truck accident case. I'm Shawn Shamsi, and I've been practicing personal injury since 2007 right here in California. I help injured victims get compensation from insurance companies who deny, delay, and reject claims made against them. I make videos like this to educate the public to make sure they're not taken advantage by the insurance companies. For more information to learn about these cases and how to protect yourself, go to my website or my YouTube channels. In this video, we're going to talk about and educate you how to handle a trucking accident to make sure you get the full compensation you're entitled to from the insurance companies. This is how it works when you get involved in a trucking accident claim. After you're involved in an accident with a truck and you're injured, you need to make sure you take care of yourself. You need to make sure you go to the doctor as soon as possible and attend the medical care that you need. It's important that you prove and establish your injuries right off the bat. The insurance companies is going to look at everything when it's time to value the case. They're going to see what your injuries are, how long you treated for those injuries, and whether there's a gap in treatment. Look, the insurance company is not on your side. They're not your friends. The only job they have in trying to get the case settled is to devalue your claim so that they don't pay you what you're entitled to. The only way you're going to be successful is to have the right attorney on your side to make sure the case is handled properly from A to Z, making sure you get the medical treatment you need, you get the proper witnesses on board, you need the proper documentations and photos and experts to make sure that the case is put together the right way. Here's what you need to do when involved in an accident against a trucking company. On the scene, make sure to take the right photos from all the angles. Take the proper documentation from the person who hit your car. Talk to all witnesses for the area and get the phone numbers and names. Call the police to come out and document what happened. After you've collected all that information from the scene of the accident, you need to get an attorney who can put the case and protect your rights against the insurance companies, because the insurance company is right away going to start working on their case and to make sure they try to reject and deny your claim as much as they can. So you need to make sure you're ahead of the ball. But more important, when involved in a trucking accident, here's what you do not want to do. Do not admit fault for the accident. Do not tell the police officer that you're not injured. Do not leave the scene of the accident until you have exchanged information with the other party. You have taken all the pictures from the area and secured whatever you need that will prove your case against the trucking company. Do not forget to ask the police officer for the police report number. Do not forget to get the name of the witnesses on the scene so that we can contact them for you right off the bat so that the insurance company doesn't get to them first. You have to understand one thing. When you're involved in a trucking accident, there's two sides to the case, our side and the other party's side. This is why every single document, every single medical doctor you see, every single factor you have in the case is documented properly. And that's why you need me in my office to protect you, to make sure that the insurance company doesn't try to take advantage of you and short sell you on the value of your case. Plus, when you work with my office, there's no out-of-pocket costs, no out-of-pocket expenses. We don't get paid until you get paid. So after a trucking accident, do not call the insurance company. Call our office first so we can make sure to protect your rights so that you don't get taken advantage of by the insurance companies.